Hey everyone, today I will show you how to screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your Snapchat account and locate your friend's Snapchat contact. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on them. Look for an option labeled Remix Snap. It's important to note that this option might not always be available. If you do see it, tap on it. You'll be taken to a new screen where you can interact with the snap further. Make sure your camera is out of the frame. Once you're out of the picture, proceed to take your snap. Next, look for a save button to keep this masterpiece directly on your device. If you can't find one, don't panic. Simply exit out of Snapchat without closing the app and take a screenshot from your device's overview screen. You'll see that Snapchat didn't send a screenshot notification, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates.